In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this fun card using the piece of cake bundle from Stampin' Up. So here's the card. I created a fun background using some of the cakes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I started with a Flirty Flamingo base, and I've put 4 cakes in a row. Let's see if I can get them a little bit better placed on an eye block. And I've got my Flirty Flamingo here, and I am just going to use this to stamp the background all the way down. So the first one, I'm going to align this left, and then the next one I will align right, and so forth down the card. And so I'm creating this background really quickly and easily by placing multiple stamps on my block. And you could do this with a multitude of stamps, leaves and flowers, all different kinds of things. So there we go, there's our background. Super quick, super easy, done. So now for the card, I'm going to wrap some fun polka dot ribbon around this piece right here. And I'm going to tie a fun bow. Polka dot ribbon is fun to use on any card, but especially birthday cards. So I like to tie a knot first, just makes it easier before I tie my bow. There we go, cute little bow. Now I can adhere this down to my Coastal Cabana card base. I love Coastal Cabana. It's definitely one of my favorite colors. And then I'm going to adhere this stitched oval from the stitch shape dies to this oval from the layering oval dies, and put dimensionals on this. And then I'm going to stamp my cake and my cake stand. So there we go. So now I've got this piece of 1 inch Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to use that to stamp my cake and my cake stand separately. And the reason why I do that is because I like to punch them separately. I think it's just easier that way. So here's my cake stand, and here's my cake. And then here's the cake builder punch. It coordinates with the stamp set piece of cake, and they come together in a bundle for 10% off, and they are retiring. So if you want them, you have less than a week to order them. So you can go to my website, elainescreations.net, and enter this hostess code, and I will send you a free gift. So let's open this up, and we will start by punching the cake stand up top. So you see, I don't have to line up the cake stand and the cake at the same time, just the cake. And then I can come down here, and I can just line up the cake and punch that out. So that just makes it easier for me to punch out the different stamped images. So now I'm going to color these. For the top, I'm going to use Bermuda Bay Dark, just a tiny bit on the top. And then Bermuda Bay Light on the bottom. And then for the bottom one, I'm going to start with Flirty Flamingo Dark. And then I will finish it up with Flirty Flamingo Light. I'll go back over the dark to blend. Take away any harsh lines and blend the colors together. And then for the cake stand, I'm using Smoky Slate Dark, and starting off on the left side. And I'm just going to color all the way down the left side with the dark. And then Smoky Slate Light, I'm going to blend in the dark and color the right side. I just love watching it blend. These are so fun to color with, and they're so easy. You have a light and a dark. That's it. That's how you color. All right, so now I'm gonna put some dimensionals on these. We've got a regular size dimensional for this one, and then for the cake stand, we want to use the mini dimensionals. We'll start with the cake stand, and we'll place it on our circle about here. And then we will add our cake. What a cute card. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to check out my website, elainescreations.net. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.